Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing how I start my day with soul feeding, something I believe is crucial before tackling anything else. And strengthening ourselves spiritually is essential as God is our master and guide. I woke up early at 3 a.m. and began my worship while reading the Bible and my devotional. I sip morning tea on an empty stomach. My personal choice is moringa tea, which is I find it helpful for managing my GERD. After worship, I changed my bed sheets, tidied my room, and organized everything to create a peaceful space. For breakfast, I prepared a healthy meal, a slice of papaya, apple, banana, and 2 eggs for protein. I've been advised to eat 1 egg daily, but today I opted for 2. I also made fresh cucumber juice, refreshing and packed with hydrates my body, rich in antioxidant for my skin, support digestion, and may reduce inflammation for my OA. Low in calories, great for weight management. I follow intermittent fasting, eating only breakfast and dinner while skipping lunch. For dinner, I keep it simple and healthy. Stirred fried cabbage and carrots seasoned with salt, muscovado sugar, black pepper, and dried parsley, plus chicken breast marinated in curry powder, salt, and sesame oil. I'm avoiding rice today. Let's see if I survive the cravings. I've been practicing intermittent fasting for a month of time and it's been a game changer for me. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that focuses on when you eat rather than what you ate. I personally follow a twice eating method where I enjoy breakfast around 9 a.m. and dinner around 4 p.m. I find that it helps me manage my weight, feel more energized, and simplify meals. Of course, it's important to consult with a doctor before making any major changes to your diet. But for me, intermittent fasting has been a fantastic way to support my health and well-being. Thank you for watching. God bless you all and may your day be filled with peace and purpose. Let me share a Bible verse that comforts me. Psalm 94 verse 17, Unless the Lord had been my help, my soul would soon have settled in silence.